Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Imagine our world, transformed. A place where the familiar landscapes we know are altered beyond recognition. Picture the oceans, receding dramatically, pulling back to reveal secrets long hidden beneath the waves. Sea levels, dropping by half a mile, exposing new terrains and altering the face of our planet. Coastlines stretch outward, revealing land previously hidden beneath the waves, creating new opportunities and challenges. This is our planet, reshaped by a phenomenon we'll call the half-mile drop, a transformation that redefines our world. But what could cause such a drastic change? What forces are at play to create this monumental shift? And what would it mean for life on Earth? How would humans and wildlife adapt to this new reality? This is not a tale of sudden disaster, but a gradual shift, unfolding over decades, changing the world bit by bit. The change is slow, but its effects are profound, reshaping communities and ecosystems alike. The world as we know it, our maps, our cities, our very understanding of Earth, would be rewritten, forever altered. Join us as we explore this extraordinary hypothetical scenario, delving into the science and implications of the half-mile drop. Let's journey together across a transformed planet, discovering the wonders and challenges of this new world. Our journey begins with the search for a cause, investigating the forces that could drive such a dramatic change. What forces could compel the oceans to retreat on such a scale? Could it be a shift in tectonic plates or a change in climate? Could it be a global cooling, locking water away as ice, or a massive geological event altering the Earth's crust? Or perhaps a shift in Earth's magnetic field, altering the very shape of our oceans and the distribution of water? The possibilities are as vast as the oceans themselves, each with its own set of consequences and mysteries. This is more than just a geographical puzzle. It's a complex interplay of natural forces and human impact. The half-mile drop would touch every aspect of our planet's delicate balance, from ecosystems to weather patterns. From the creatures of the deep to the patterns of our weather, every element of our world would be affected. From the cities we build to the history we thought we knew, everything would be seen in a new light. Earth would never be the same, forever changed by the half-mile drop. The oceans, vast and deep, are not static entities. They are dynamic, ever-changing, and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. They are constantly in motion, shaped by forces both above and below. These currents and movements are driven by a complex interplay of factors. To understand the half-mile drop, we must look to these forces, seeking explanations in the Earth's intricate systems. The interactions between the atmosphere, oceans, and the Earth's crust play a crucial role. One possibility lies in the icy grip of global glaciation. During periods of intense cold, the Earth's surface undergoes dramatic transformations. As temperatures plummet, vast quantities of water would freeze, forming massive glaciers and ice sheets. These frozen expanses can cover large portions of the planet. This frozen water, drawn from the oceans, could lead to a significant drop in sea level. The impact on coastal regions would be profound. Imagine the polar ice caps expanding their dominion, reaching towards the equator. This expansion would reshape the planet's geography. Another potential culprit is our planet's magnetic field. This field is essential for life on Earth, but it is not constant. This invisible shield, generated deep within Earth's core, protects us from harmful solar radiation. It is a vital component of our planet's defense system. But what if this field were to shift? Such a shift could have far-reaching consequences. Such a change could alter the distribution of water across the globe, leading to regional variations in sea level. Coastal communities would be particularly vulnerable. Beyond our planet's natural processes, we must also consider external forces. These forces can be sudden and catastrophic. An asteroid impact, for example, could trigger massive tsunamis and vaporize immense quantities of water. The immediate effects would be devastating. While some of this water would eventually return to Earth, a portion could be lost to space, contributing to a long-term drop in sea level. The balance of our oceans would be forever altered. Finally, we must examine the Earth's dynamic crust. The surface of our planet is in constant motion, driven by tectonic forces. The process of subduction, where one tectonic plate slides beneath another, can drag vast amounts of water underground. This hidden water cycle is a key factor in understanding sea level changes. While this process typically occurs over millions of years, a sudden acceleration could have significant impacts on sea level. The Earth's crust is a powerful force, capable of reshaping our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. The half-mile drop would redraw the map of our planet, revealing vast stretches of land previously hidden beneath the waves. This dramatic change would not only alter the physical landscape, but also have profound implications for human civilization and natural ecosystems. Continents would expand, revealing new connections and reshaping our understanding of geography. The new landmasses would create opportunities for exploration and settlement, as well as challenges for existing infrastructure. In North America, the eastern seaboard would extend far out into the Atlantic Ocean. Cities that were once coastal would find themselves inland, requiring new transportation and trade routes. New York City, once a bustling harbor, would find itself miles inland. The iconic skyline would overlook vast new lands, transforming the city's relationship with the sea. The Gulf of Mexico would shrink, revealing a land bridge connecting Florida to Cuba. This new connection could alter regional dynamics, impacting everything from wildlife migration to human travel. Imagine the possibilities: the new trade routes, the altered ecosystems. Entirely new economic zones could emerge, while existing ones might face unprecedented challenges. Across the Atlantic, Europe would experience equally dramatic changes. Coastal cities would need to adapt to their new inland status, and ancient lands could be rediscovered. The British Isles, once separated from mainland Europe by the English Channel, would be connected by a vast plain. This new land bridge could transform travel and trade between the islands and the continent. The Mediterranean Sea, a cradle of civilization, would shrink considerably, revealing ancient ports and lost islands. These newly exposed areas could offer invaluable insights into our past. In Asia, the Indonesian archipelago, a string of islands stretching across Southeast Asia, would coalesce into a single landmass. This transformation would have significant ecological and geopolitical implications. The South China Sea, a major shipping route, would become a series of inland lakes, dramatically altering trade and navigation. New routes would need to be established, impacting global commerce. Australia, a continent defined by its vast coastline, would see its landmass increase dramatically. This expansion would create new opportunities for development and conservation. The shallow waters surrounding the continent would recede, revealing a vast plain connecting Australia to New Guinea. This new land could become a vital corridor for wildlife and human activity. New Zealand, too, would experience significant changes, with its two main islands merging into one. This new landform would reshape the nation's geography and identity. Africa, a continent of diverse landscapes, would see its coastline pushed outwards, revealing new land along its western and eastern shores. These new areas could become hotspots for biodiversity and human settlement. The Red Sea, a vital waterway connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Indian Ocean, would shrink dramatically, impacting trade and navigation. The new landscape would require innovative solutions to maintain these crucial connections. The half-mile drop wouldn't just change the shape of our continents, it would also profoundly impact the oceans themselves, their ecosystems, and the delicate balance of our planet's climate. With less water volume, the oceans would become saltier, impacting marine life adapted to specific salinity levels. Coral reefs, already threatened, would face new challenges as their shallow water habitats change. Fish migrations, driven by temperature and salinity gradients, would be disrupted, impacting food chains and ecosystems. The reduced ocean surface area would also affect weather patterns. The oceans, vast heat sinks, play a crucial role in regulating global temperatures. With less surface area to absorb and release heat, we could see more extreme weather events, from intense heat waves to powerful storms. Freshwater sources, already strained in many parts of the world, would face further pressure. As sea levels drop, saltwater would intrude into coastal aquifers, contaminating drinking water supplies. This would exacerbate existing water scarcity issues, leading to competition for resources and potential conflicts. Happy travels ahead. Subscribe for more adventures. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Follow us on social media for daily travel updates. You've been watching Traveling Kangaroo. Text overlay. Visit travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive travel insights.